How to remove characters from Excel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, so let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. I have three example here. Let me first, okay. Okay, we have three example. One in first we have numbers and character like dash. We have in second example we have numbers, the character and text, and here we have the numbers, character and text. But the text is different in every cell. Okay, so in first cell we are going to learn. We're going to learn how we can delete that character only. Just select that character. Just select and copy the character. Okay, now just select the all text, go to the control plus F. Here in replace, just paste this character, or you can simply enter the character, whatever character is there. You have to just enter here, and you need to keep it blank in replace with, and make sure click on replace all. Then character will be delete, and it will be replaced with the blank. And if you want the space at place of that character, then you have to just simply give here in replace with a single space, and replace with, then the character will be replaced with that single space. Okay, now come to the second example where we have the numbers and the character and the text. If you want to delete characters and text before after, then select that character and that text which you want to delete. Same, now go to the control F, go to the replace. Here keep it here you need to keep a blank, don't take the any space and all. Just go to the replace all, then the text and character will be removed. And here if you have numbers with the character and the text with different in every cell, then you need to use one formula, which is this start the formula with the equal sign, type the left, because we need to keep the everything at left side of this character. Okay, then select your cell, we have F2, then we need to select F2. Okay, fine. Then we need to open the column, then in double comma we need to insert the character, then again we need to select that cell which is F2. Now close that column, then we need to enter the -1. It will be remove the all everything after this character. Okay, and keep the everything before this character. Now you need to close that first column and just enter the hit the enter. Okay, now you simply apply this formula to all cell like this. And now we have when you click on any cell, you can see there is a formula still exit. If you want to remove the formula, just select all the cell, copy it, and again paste here in value, then this formula will be gone. And if there is a green mark, then again you need to select that cell here, and go this down, teeny down arrow, and click on ignore errors, then the error will be gone and formula also will be gone. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.